Hi, let's make fried rice. I have carrots, green bell pepper, green beans, cloves powder, black pepper, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce. I also have my cabbage and spring onions and also some cooked rice that I stored in the fridge. So in my pan, I have added little cooking oil and I'm scooping in the cooked rice into it. Now I'm going to add my oyster sauce and then my dark sauce, and I'll continuously stir this for about 10 minutes. Please, if you are new to this channel, you are most welcome, and to my old subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch videos on this channel. So I'll continuously do this till every portion of the rice turns to this brown color. If your soy sauce is not enough, you can add some, just like how I'm going to add. So I've added a little bit and I'll give it a very quick stir, and within some few minutes my fried rice is done. Please like, comment and share this video. So now it is cooked or fried well. I'm just going to set it aside, and in my pan again I'm going to add some cooking oil and add in my chopped vegetables. So I have carrots, spring onion, green bell pepper, and I've just added some black pepper powder, cloves powder, and also some seasoning cube. I didn't add salt because I don't like too much salt, because the seasoning cube has some salt in it, so I prefer not to add. I may choose to add some salt. So I'll just give this a stir and let it fry for 2 minutes, and I'll set that one to aside. So now it is done, and I'm just scooping my rice into my disposable bowl, and I'll be taking this to work. So now I'm adding my shito, and I'll also be adding my mayonnaise. I hope you also try this and let me know how it turned out. See you next time. Bye.